Hey dolls, welcome back. It's your girl Chi, and I'm here to bring you the L'Oréal Infallible Fresh Wear Concealer and Foundation review. Now, this was supposed to be a first impression, but I did test it out last week. I wasn't feeling the quality of the video, and then I had a different shade, and right now I have the shade for 75, and I had for 70 last time. The undertone was a little off. It was a little too neutral. This has a little bit more of the yellow undertone. But yeah, let's just say it went from being a first impression to now a review. And I must say, if you guys have been listening to the hype of this concealer and the foundation, honey, you may want to believe it. I'm going to show you how to get this. Well, actually, I'm not showing you a recreation of this look. I didn't want the video to be super long, but if you want to see my thoughts on this foundation, the concealer, I did also pick up the Kylie lip kit, which is on my lips now in the shade Exposed. And I also picked up some eyelashes as well, and this is from Salon Perfect. And if you want to know my thoughts on all of the things that I've tried today, then continue watching. Hey guys, welcome back. So I do have a few products that I recently purchased that I wanted to try out. Now, this was supposed to be a first impressions video, but it turned out to be a review. So I have the L'Oreal concealer in the shade Cashew, and I have the L'Oreal Infallible up to 24-hour fresh wear foundation, and this is in the shade 475, which turns out to be Sun Beige. Now, I did go to Ulta and I purchased the Kylie Jenner lip kit, and this is in Exposed. And I did pick these up from Walmart that I wanted to try out, and these are the 661 from Salon Perfect. So let's just hop in the video and let's get started. So it's pretty runny. Now I've already primed my face. I used the YSL blurring primer. Hopefully this is a good match. It's actually a really good match. Okay, so this is the foundation with one layer, and then with one layer I feel like it's light coverage. Like, I see my freckles so perfectly. Like, it didn't fade out my freckles at all. And I'm going to go in with a second or a third layer just to see if we can build up that coverage. Now, as I've mentioned before, I've already tried this foundation twice, so I know that it starts off as a light coverage and you have to build up the coverage. And I feel like it's a true medium build, not full coverage, but a true medium. Okay, so this is the foundation built with 2 layers. It does give like a really flawless natural finish. So it doesn't make it look like skin. It's really, really good. Okay, so let's move on to the concealer, and I have it in 365 Cashew. The concealer is really good as well. It's super creamy. Now, the consistency of the concealer reminds me of my Cover FX Power Play concealer. It's just really creamy. And it blends out so good. Okay, so this is the concealer and it looks amazing. Like, this is performing like a high-end concealer. It just casts out all of my darkness. It's like darkness wear. I mean, you don't have to build it up. It's coming off full coverage. I can just put a little bit more of a layer just to see if it can be super full coverage, even though I don't like really high coverage, but I'll just put a dot here. See if we can build that up. Like, that built up so nicely. Like, can you guys see that? Like, the two combo, I just know I'm going to have a good makeup day. I feel like once you put on your foundation and your concealer, you already know if this is going to go left or right, and it is going completely right. Now, since it is very creamy consistency, I wouldn't advise to put on a lot where your creases are because it's going to cake underneath the creasing. So we're going to have to smooth and set. Lately, I have been setting my concealer with the Fenty blotting powder. I just like how lightweight the setting powder is, and it doesn't give you a white cast or anything. It gets the job done. No cakiness, no powderiness. Yeah, eyes are looking good. Lately, I have not been wanting to set the rest of my face. Just like how it looks in the long run, like when I go about my day, usually at the 5 or 6 hour mark where you put the powder, at the end of the day, you kind of start to see where you've placed your powder. So I've been liking how my makeup wears, the longevity of it without setting it. So I would only set underneath my eyes, and that's about it. Okay, so I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup off camera since it's really about the concealer and the foundation. So I'm going to just go ahead and do everything else off camera so it's not a super long video. Okay, first off, this makeup is bomb, okay? I'm loving everything that's on my face. From the concealer, I just love the coverage. It's creamy, it cancels out the darkness. The foundation is super breathable, super lightweight, and it's a medium coverage. I wouldn't say that this is a full coverage foundation. I feel like if you do have flaws to cover up, you're going to need your ride or die concealer to spot conceal first and then go over with this foundation. But this foundation is super good. It's amazing. It looks super natural in person. It just, and then when you wear it throughout the day, it looks better. It just, I don't know what to say about it, but it just looks amazing, especially when you wear it throughout the day. There's nothing more that I really can say about this foundation besides to go and get it. I think I spent $11.99 at Walmart for the foundation, and maybe the same amount for the concealer. Don't quote me. I will double check and link it. I'll post it somewhere, but amazing. This is really like, if you want an amazing makeup day, and this is it. Look nowhere else. This is it, okay? If you're looking for medium coverage, flawless finish, it looks like your skin. It really does look like your skin. Like, you can see my freckles and everything, but in person, it just looked like I have amazing skin. And who doesn't want that from their foundation? And as far as it being like transfer proof, I believe so. Like, I worn this for a while, and let's see, I'm just trying to put it all over my face, but I would say, yeah, transfer proof. That wasn't a lie. But the lashes, let's talk about these lashes. I'm absolutely loving them. They're comfortable. It's not to say that I can't feel them, but they feel lightweight. So these are the Salon Perfect Extension Seeker 3D Curl Multi-Dimensional Tapered Tips. Yes, I think I spent $8.99 on these at Walmart. I purchased this online, and they will be getting my coins again. Now, I did also purchase these other lashes from Walmart as well, and these are the clusters. Now, I've already worn these before in a previous video, but these are super comfortable. They're so nice, and they have like this glam look, but it reminds me of my Lily lashes, just a little bit more toned down. So I feel like they have the same shape to them, but this one, the length is a lot shorter on these, and I feel like this will give you more of an everyday wearable look, as opposed to these are more glamorous. You definitely need to be going somewhere or wearing the Miami lashes. Now, on my lips, I do have the Kylie kit in the shade Exposed, and that's these two here. And it smells really good. It reminds me of, I don't know, maybe like a chocolatey coffee kind of a scent to it. I love coffee. Anything that has like a coffee scent, we're gonna get along. And then I have the, what are you? Oh, and then the lip liner that comes with it. I think this was $30. If anything, I will list the price or post the price. But it's super comfortable. It's not like drying or anything. It feels really comfortable on the lips. I'm loving the shade. It's just a perfect nude. I think she gets it right when it comes to nude colors, even though this is my first purchase from her. It's just by watching other videos and other seeing people wearing these colors in their pictures. It seems like when it comes to nudes, she gets it right. Okay, you guys, that is all for this video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you dolls later.